2. Update apps on an iPhone. Start by finding and opening the App Store. You can do this by swiping to the right and searching for App Store, which should appear at the top of the search results. Once in the App Store, there are 2 ways to update apps. If you have a specific app in mind that you want to update, you can search for it in the App Store. If the app is already installed, it will appear in the search results, and you can select Update to download and install the latest version. Alternatively, you can update all installed apps at once by going to the Today screen in the App Store, selecting your profile image, and then scrolling down to the Upcoming Automatic Updates section. From here, you can select Update All to trigger the update process for all apps that require it. Updating apps can be useful for fixing issues or accessing new features, and it's a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps.